Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find area of the region bounded by graph of this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that this equation in here that is about eclipse. So the graph of this one should be like this. So the center is about 0, 0 because we don't have the number in here. That's why we have the center in here. So this one we have 8 and negative 8. This one we have B and negative B. We want to find the area in here. So in this situation, I need to find one area in here because we just multiply by number 4 because this area in here they have the same. So we need to find one area in here. So we have this equation and I will put this one go to the right. Next, I will put b square go to the right. So if we look on the graph, this one in here, that is about positive. So when we put the square root, we just choose only positive. So the square root of b square, we have b outside. Now from 0 to 8, we can find the area in here. So we need to find this integration. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to r, a sine t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have a square sine t squared. So a square, we simplify 1 minus sine t squared. We have cosine t squared, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the s equals to 8 cosine t dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 cone here, and we can find the value of t. So t equals to number 0 when s equals to 8. So we have 8 in here, and we put the value of 8 cone here. 8 divided by 8, we have number 1. So t equals to b over 2. And now we have the new integration. Number 0 we keep the same. A we change by b over 2. So s we change by a sine t, so we have a square sine t square over a square. ds we change by a cosine t dt. So this one we have 1 minus sine t square. This one we keep the same. So AB we put outside. This one we have cosine t square because we have sine t square plus cosine t square equals to number 1. Now I will put sine t square cone here, and that's why we have cosine t square equals to 1 minus sine t square. The square root of cosine t square we have cosine t. And we have another cosine t in here. This one we have cosine t square dt. Next we have the second formula. That is about cosine t square equals to cosine 2t plus 1 over 2. So I will put this one going here. And now I will put number 2 go outside. The integration of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1, that is about t, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. So I will put b over 2 going here, number 0 going here. And we have b over 2. So this one we have a b over number 4, because this is about 1 over 4. So the total area in here We have 4 same areas. That's why we multiply by number 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.